Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the Weld Hub, where welding, reality, and education don't just come together, they fuse. My name is Christopher Kish. I'm the owner of the Weld Hub, and I just wanted to take a moment to introduce myself and my company and talk about some big news that we have come into the RGV. So what can I tell you about myself? Well, I'm a certified welding inspector and a certified welding educator through the American Welding Society. I have over 17 years of welding experience in the industry, with over 10 years of welding educational experience, predominantly focused on advanced welding process and applications being used in real-world scenarios, as well as advanced welding education, for example, Train the Trainer and the CWI prep course. And honestly, guys, I got to tell you, I love this stuff, which is exactly why I founded the Weld Hub over 2 years ago. And up until now, we focused on larger industrial companies with our trainings. Today, we want to come to the Rio Grande Valley and help support a higher standard of welding education and training. Well, what's the big news? Well, there's a couple topics I want to talk about with you, but I'm going to start off with a big blockbuster one right now. That's right. The Weld Hub has officially partnered with the Matador HQ Welding Supply out of Edinburgh, Texas, and bringing the Rio Grande Valley its first ever CWI prep course. That's right. Starting May 2nd, we will be launching a weekend CWI prep course that will be Saturdays and Sundays from 8 o'clock a.m. until 4:30 p.m. This is a 5-week course that we are going to be offering there. And again, starting May 4th, we have a 4-week evening class that will be Monday through Friday, 6 o'clock p.m. until 10 o'clock p.m. So why is this such big news for the RGV welding community? I'll tell you why. Because up until now, if somebody in the Rio Grande Valley wanted to go and study for their CWI and take a prep course, they typically had two options. They could register and take one online, or they could travel and take about 2 weeks to do one in person. Now you don't have to do that, because now it's here. So stay tuned for next week. We're going to have the Matador HQ Welding Supply. Eliud and Gabby will be here. We're going to shoot a podcast and give more information to the CWI prep course and what we're bringing here to the RGV. Hey, you're still there. Well, I'll tell you what, since you're still there, let me tell you about what the Weld Hub Testing Laboratories is bringing here to the Rio Grande Valley. That's right. The Weld Hub is bringing PQR testing and development, as well as welder qualification testing and certification testing to not just companies throughout the RGV, but to individuals looking to expand their careers as well. Now, you're going to have to take a skill assessment typically for any company that hires you, especially the ones that pay money. The difference is that if you have a qualification or a certification on your resume, you're probably going to get that call for the test before the guy that doesn't have it. Hey guys, thanks for hanging with me today. Listen, regardless at where you're at in your welding journey and career, if you have a passion for welding and for learning, drop a like, follow us on Facebook and on YouTube under The Weld Hub, and on Instagram and TikTok under rgv.theweld-hub. Listen, we're planning on releasing 3 different series coming soon. So until then, stay tuned, keep your head up and your hood down. You got this.